Up next, mastering your inner entrepreneur, assumptions and assessments. Every day we make assumptions, and making assumptions is part of doing business. But there's a duality about assumptions. They can serve you or they can keep you from growing your business. So it's always a good idea to check those assumptions. Now, one way I check my assumptions is by expanding my mindset. And I do that in a variety of ways, and one way is being part of a book study. Now, the book we're working through is called The Power to Transform by Chris Major with John Brandt. And it's in part of the book, you're guided through a positive assessment that was made about you and examine that particular assessment through various questions like, what is the assessment? How long has it been with you? What emotions does it invoke? Who delivered the assessment to you, and what possibility does it open or close? And these are just some of the questions that you're guided through. Now, it talks about negative assessments and positive assessments. And years ago, I was given a positive assessment that I'm savvy. Now, I figured that I should have considered it positive, but I didn't see myself as savvy. I made up a whole bunch of assumptions about what savvy meant. So there was a disconnect in my brain, and the emotion that it invoked was not really positive. And now through the book study, I realized that I had made an assumption about the word savvy. So then I looked up the word. The first definition I ran across said a shrewdness and practical knowledge, especially in politics or business. Well, I wasn't immediately keen on the word shrewd either, and so I kind of thought it was a negative connotation. Then I checked my assumption about the word shrewd, and according to various online resources, it's having or showing a sharp powers of judgment or astute. Well, that was kind of interesting for me. For years, I had negative beliefs around these words, and checking my assumptions about an assessment someone gave years ago opened up a whole new realm of freedom around that word and around the assessment. By having a whole new freedom around it opens up new actions too. My lens for generating new possibilities just became clearer for me. So, what assumptions are you making that, if explored, might open up new possibilities for you? Until next week, create a great life. Bye now.